If you've ever had the opportunity to have dinner in the dining car of a train, then you'll probably have some pretty fun memories of it. Now, I'm not talking about grabbing a hot dog and a bag of chips at the concession stand, but rather sitting down to a complete meal in the dining car. The recipe we're making today is inspired by just that. Plus, it's perfect for this time of year when you want to serve something special. The first thing we're going to do is mix some softened butter with some minced garlic, a squeeze of lemon juice, and chopped parsley. Then we spoon that down the center of a piece of wax paper and roll it up, creating a log. While the butter chills in the fridge, we'll cook up a couple of strip or ribeye steaks that we've seasoned. When the chilled seasoned butter hits the hot steak and begins to melt, get ready to take a bite of the most flavorful steak you've ever tasted. To get the recipe for our melt-in-your-mouth steak, all you have to do is visit our website and look for what we call Dining Car Steak. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a dining car fancy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.